Is it just me, or do our swimmers get way too much information in relation about our swimming? And are we moving away from the fact that swimming is very much a kinesthetic sport? It doesn't matter if your stroke isn't aesthetically pleasing or doesn't look like the person in the lane next to you, as long as it feels right for you. So let's take a look at how to keep your swim simple. Number 1, extend your arm. So when you extend your arm at entry, make sure that your hand catches below your shoulder level, but also make sure that it's in line with your shoulder. By doing this, you ensure a more streamlined entry into the water. Number 2, hand position. When swimming, your hand should pass under your face, but not over the central line. Your elbows should point at the walls, and make sure your hand is at a 90-degree angle to your elbow. Number 3, catch phase. Don't forget to finish your catch phase when your thumb is next to the middle side of your thigh, and also make sure that your arm is straight and also locked. Number 4, arm recovery. Your hand should be in line with your shoulder, and your fingertips should be pointing to the surface of the water. Make sure your elbow is pointing towards the sky and try to relax as much as possible. So these guidelines are all about you starting to feel and understand your stroke. So use these quick tips to help you out first, then tweak them to suit your needs when swimming. Doing these tips will hopefully stop you overthinking and comparing your swim to someone else's. Just remember that practice makes perfect, but more importantly, you've also got to have fun when you're swimming. So do you have any other tips on how to keep your swim simple? Why not share them in the comments for others to see? Thanks for watching and safe swimming.